And it's broken. Oh, it's back.
Whoa, what is that? A clever stabilized web browser makes reading on iPads easier for users dealing with hand tremors. Wow. Or riding in a bumpy vehicle.
I was just saying the train.
Yes. Immediately, I thought of like a reader and the fact that it can stabilize in real time.
It looks so
Very
cool.
cool.
Yeah, I mean, it looks like image stabilization on a camera, except it's on an iPad, obviously, and you can see the way the browser window is adjusting for a very like shaky iPad. Now, obviously, the first focus here is on
Accessibility.
Yeah, accessibility, and it's called Stable. The app is called Staybl, which is a free download, and it uses the iPad's accelerometer to create this stabilization. When hands shake, the window remains stable. As much as technology has helped improve our lives, it's not always accessible as it could be, particularly for those with conditions like Parkinson's disease, which can cause tremors that make it hard to use some devices. A new app called Stable takes advantage of a feature including the iPad since day one, making simple tasks like surfing the web much easier, even when tremors are being experienced. Well, you got to believe that this is going to be a really welcome addition for people affected by this. It's not the first product to aim to do something like this. You had devices like stabilized spoons, for example, when you would be trying to lift food up to your mouth and would be spilling otherwise. I feel like I remember seeing one of those actually at CES many years ago. This app was developed by Havas New York and Havas Germany, who spent 2 years working with the German Parkinson's Association and Parkinson's patients in Germany and the U.S. to test and optimize the app. At its core, it relies on an iPad's accelerometer to detect the subtle movements of hand tremors and then move an on-screen web browser window the opposite direction. I don't know if it's going to be only useful in the web browser or elsewhere as well, if it can work elsewhere as well. But that's pretty cool. I like that.
Stable. Oh.
It's been a rough road.
Oh, we have some video examples here.
Let's see here.
I wonder if they're going to show it in use with a real person or not.
Well, I guess not.
Oh, that's interesting. Like everything is bigger and easier to tap as well. So the browser fits in the middle of the screen, but then you get big zoom controls. It kind of, the interface changes to become a little bit more easy to interact with.
No demo. Well, since it's free,
Good.
you can just
Good.
check it out.
Free. You love to see it, don't you?